My fellow academians, point up at any roof. You think you see tiles or shingles, but that's a costume. Underneath is a whole hidden system, stacked like a sandwich. And every layer has a job. Let's peel it back. At the very bottom, the bones. Wooden beams called rafters or trusses. On top of them, a flat wooden deck, plywood or OSB, nailed down tight. That's the skeleton the whole roof rides on. Now the secret. Over that wood goes a sticky, waterproof sheet called underlayment. Here's the twist most people never learn. This is the real raincoat, not the shingles, the underlayment. If a hurricane rips the top layer clean off, this sealed barrier is what keeps rain out of your house. In Florida, the law actually requires it. On top comes the armor you can see: shingles, clay or concrete tile, or metal. It takes the sun, the rain, the wind. Metal and tile last the longest. Shingles cost the least. And wherever the roof bends or a pipe pokes through, workers add little metal shields called flashing to steer water around. Water must always run downhill onto the next layer, never up. But here's why Florida is different. Our storms are monsters. Winds around 150 to 175 miles per hour, so we nail harder. Near Miami, 6 nails per shingle. Hello, thanks Arthur. And then, the hero of the whole story: hurricane straps. Tiny metal clips that tie the roof down to the walls so a giant wind can't peel it off like a lid. Florida law demands them. Roofs breathe too. Vents at the peak and under the edges let that hot, sticky attic air escape, stopping mold and helping everything last longer. And roofs don't live forever. Shingles, 15 to 25 years. Tile and metal, much longer. When it's time, you can't just DIY, you need a permit, and an inspector checks the work. A new Florida roof runs from about $9,000 to $45,000. Because it's the one thing standing between your family and the storm. If your roof is aging, Academia Development Corp does hurricane code roofing right. Straps, sealed decks, permits and all. Until next time, my fellow academians.